Pinoprotesta daw nila yung INC rally na milyon-milyon. Let's see how many they can put together on January 31st. Yan po, of course, Eliseo Rio, halatado ka na. Okay. The Sweet Face of a Trojan Horse. The original title of this is A Sweet Trojan Horse Face. Para horse face ang huling dalawang salita. Horse face, mukhang kabayo. But I'm referring here to Cielo Magno. Sabi ko, the sweet face of a Trojan horse is Professor Cielo Magno, professor of UP School of Economics and formerly Undersecretary of the Department of Finance. We realized this after she confirmed her appearance during a rally this January 31 at the Etso Shrine organized by the so-called clergy and citizens for good governance. This questionable new cause-oriented group reeks of U.S. deep state operations directly targeting the Dutertes while also appearing to target PBBM. Aside from Magno, the prayer rally claims to have the support of 8 bishops and 2,000 priests, hundreds of military and uniformed personnel, self-proclaimed political celebrities, Justice Antonio Carpio, and so on and so forth. And I was surprised si dating DITO Secretary Rio. Rio, ano yung full name ni Rio? Rio, anyway, Eliseo Rio, mukhang deep sleeper din yung si Eliseo Rio. But anyway, nahalata ko po yan pagbalik po sa Cagayan de Oro din, napapag-isip-isipan ko na talaga. My suspicion was already on the rise. And when I got back from Cagayan de Oro, I saw that a war had erupted between Joy de Vivre. Sorry, my French is not, of course, perfect. Joy de Vivre. And ito po, binanatan po ni Joy, si Cielo Magno. Cielo Magno, galit na galit sa budget kaya gusto pa ipa-impeach si Inday sa January 30. Ayaw kumprontahin ang ng baboy sa budget. Kita nyo yung pattern. Ay sus, Cielo, ang bantot ng kulay mo. Kasi po, yung January 31 prayer rally, nandyan po yung mga kasama po dun sa budget, vice cam budget anomalya and so on. So makikita po natin yung plot ng Amerikano po. From the first day Cielo Magno came out in middle of 2024 on the issue of rice cap ng presyo, a very minor issue, na-build up na po siya, na-build up. Ito pala ang culmination, which I have suspected is an American regime change plot, with their own mga puppets to take over, or they would use BBM also and take over with some regime change operation. Dito po natin makikita yung January 31 na operation po ng Amerikano na featured po Bishop Efraim Tendero, Monsignor Jerry Bituon, I don't know who they are, Justice Carpio, of course, Eliseo Rio, halatado ka na. Okay. And Cielo Magno. Kasi nagsimula po yan, tutol daw sila sa budget anomalya. Later on, sinama na po yung impeach sana po dito sa kanilang panawagan. Corruption tutulan as if their governments in the past where Carpio and all of them are involved or not corrupt. Itong si Cielo Magno na appoint as undersecretary sa panahon po ni Bongbong Marcos. So ngayon, ang naging panawagan nila, Marcos Romualdez, panagutin, Duterte, paalisin. Yan yung impeachment kay Sara na siningit po nila ngayon. Gobyerno linisin as if the American-backed proxies can ever run a clean government. Sila nga ang naging sanhi ng lahat ng korupsyon po. Ang pinakamalaking korupsyon ay yung neoliberal privatization economics po. Ayan po. Ayan. So, bistado na po si sweet-looking Trojan horse face, Cielo Magno. Let's start a campaign to expose her. Yan. Ito po, dito talaga na-trigger. Yan, ang nilabas po nitong mga January 31 prayer rallyista na tinututulan, na pinoprotesta daw nila yung INC rally na milyon-milyon. Let's see how many they can put together on January 31st. Yan po, sinama po si Sara dyan sa kanilang poster, na alam po nila pag nung umpisang kanilang inanunsyo ito na sinama yan, mahahalata sila kaagad. But last minute po nila sinama.